Hello friends! I bought a new set of 70 pages of paper and I'm starting a new challenge. Its name will be 70 Portraits of Nature. I want to use different materials for drawing. First of all, I'll take a watercolor because I know it best. I also want to use different themes for nature and explore all seasons and weather conditions. I think it will be interesting. I choose picture to suit my mood and have no plan for what I will draw tomorrow. Each drawing will be a surprise for me and for you too. The first drawing with a romantic coast in violet tones is ready.